Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll explore how to add keywords to a campaign in Google Ads 2026. Keywords are the foundation of your campaigns, helping you reach the right audience. So let's go step by step to ensure you choose the best keywords for success. Now before we start, you're gonna have to set up your Google Ads account. And to do that, you're gonna go to business.google.com and make sure you sign in with your Google account. Once you do that, you're gonna click on Start Now, and you're gonna fill in this section with the information about your business, such as business name, the business website. This website should be valid to enable to cross to the next informations. So make sure to finish setting up your business informations. After that, the first thing you want to do is to access your campaign. Once you finish logging into Google Ads and navigating to the campaign types, you're going to select the campaign and add group. You're going to click on the campaign you want to add keywords to. For example, you're going to select the campaign from here, from this section right here. As you can see in the left, you're going to click on the campaign, and then you're going to click on the keywords. And here, you're going to click on the plus button. You're going to go to the add group section, and then you're going to add keywords. You can click on the add group where you want to add keywords, and then click on the keywords, and then click on plus add a new keyword, the plus button. Then choose the keyword match types. You can select the appropriate match type, for example, broad, phrase, or exact, and use negative keywords to filter out irrelevant traffic. As for the fifth thing you can do is to use Keywords Planner. You can access Keywords Planner to discover new keywords ideas and add high-performing keywords that align with your campaign goals. As for the sixth step is to save and apply. Once you finish adding them, you're going to save and apply. And then you're going to regularly update and refine your keywords list. Make sure to monitor keyword performance and adjust bids accordingly, and use negative keywords to prevent wasted spend. And that's how to add keywords to a campaign in Google Ads 2026. With the right keywords, you'll ensure your ads reach the right audience and achieve your goals. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.